Today we will learn about animals' name. Let's get started. Dog. This is a dog. Cat. This is a cat. Cow. This is a cow. Hen. This is a hen. Sheep. This is a sheep. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Duck. This is a duck. Horse. This is a horse. Donkey. This is a donkey. Goat. This is a goat. Deer. This is a deer. Lion. This is a lion. Monkey. This is a monkey. Bear. This is a bear. Elephant. This is an elephant. Tiger. This is a tiger. Wolf. This is a wolf. Zebra. This is a zebra. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Yak. This is a yak. Fox. This is a fox. Camel. This is a camel. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Pig. This is a pig. Panda. This is a panda. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for latest updates.